So this is the PlayStation 4 Pro. As you guys can see, one of the main reasons I recommend getting this one over the older version is has 1 terabyte of space and it's faster than the old PlayStation 4. This happens to be the best PlayStation 4 to date. The PlayStation 4 Pro is a little bit more faster. It has a little bit more gigs. It just makes playing video games a little bit more fun, especially when you can load inside games. Um, Even though the PS5 happens to be out in today's age, it comes with the old school PlayStation 4 controller, which is pretty cool. You pretty much get everything you need. You got your USB on your CD tray. You also have all your cords and everything you need for the back. It is a little dusty to let y'all know it's an older system, but I definitely will recommend the PlayStation 4 for anyone. The main reason is because now, if you happen to buy games digital, they always give you the PlayStation 5 version and the PlayStation 4 version. So that is another reason I would definitely recommend it. All your games, you can always come back and play it on here, or if you have a PlayStation 5, you can play it on both consoles. That's even better. And that's kind of the main reason I recommend it. Like, for example, if you have a house, you could hook this in your room and you could have the PlayStation 5 in the living room. You can still play both games the same game on both consoles, man. That's like definitely a win for the PlayStation 4. They definitely keep in contact with the systems. They make sure all your games and information can transfer to each system, which is pretty cool. And that's will be one of the main reasons I would recommend the PlayStation 4 in today's age.